Hi guys, my name is Michaela and you're watching FunsizedStyle. For today's video we're going to be continuing on with my, I guess, New York style videos, just talking about a few things related to travel and just my trip to New York City for Ipsy Live NYC. That was over a month ago now, but I had to take almost a 2-week hiatus from YouTube. Things have been stressful right now. I mean, it could be way worse, but it's just a lot of details right now and everything is fine. Seem like I'm making this a bigger deal than it is. But it seems like a big deal, you know, it's just one of those things that like seem like a big deal, but it's not. But just use this moment to remember that like you never know what someone is going through. Everything's fine, but just using that as a reminder to you guys. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a really cool video. So it is a what is in my custom Ipsy bag. When I went to Ipsy Live NYC, part of like the convention, conference, I don't know what you call it, event was we all got to line up and there was like this wall, well not a wall, that's a bit much, but just this like little row of products and we all got the same like bag, but we got to customize our own Ipsy bag. So we got to, there was like a row of products, there was makeup, hair, and skincare, and then like a couple beauty tools, 5 products that we could put in an Ipsy bag. And this was the Ipsy bag that they handed out for us to fill, and it just says like surprise, discover yourself, and love, just like all these different words, I don't know. So that was really cool. I went more for the makeup part because I have such sensitive skin. I can't really use anything unique or different. I have to kind of stick to the same thing. And then as far as hair, I've been so hooked on function of beauty hair products. I'm like not interested in trying any hair products right now. That is why I went with mostly makeup, but it was really cool to go through and pick like 5 products that I wanted and like build my own Ipsy bag. So a lot of people included this in their haul video of Ipsy Live 2019, and I was going to as well, but I figured it would be fun to kind of talk a little bit more about each product and do it as like a separate video. This is really cool. So I'm excited to share with you guys the 5 products that I chose. I'll be honest, it was kind of hard to pick because there was like a lot of good stuff and like we're all in a line, and so like we kind of had to hurry, and like it was hard to pick because there were so many people and you just had to like hurry, but I made some good choices and I'm happy with everything that I got. I picked it, so it's awesome because it's an Ipsy bag that I'm happy with every single product. Now, as far as the bag itself goes, I will try to link it down below if I can find anybody that's selling the bag on eBay or Poshmark or something like that, because this bag was exclusive to the event, Ipsy Live NYC. I can't link it down below if no one is selling it because, like I said, it's exclusive to the event, but the products I will link down below because they're just, anybody can buy the products. So, going on to the first product, if I can get it out of here. If you were there, you would know that this is something I would definitely pick, and it is a makeup brush, but I don't even know, I haven't even heard of this brand. I just saw that it was a brush and I picked it. It's by the brand I&M. So it's just an eyeshadow brush. It's really, really pretty. You guys will see in the close-up. You guys know I love my eyeshadow brushes. You can never have too many of these because they're less brushes that you have to clean, so I'm all for that. Again, I've never heard of this brand, so I definitely want to look it up. It's very nice and lightweight, so less random for a brush, but I don't know. That's just how I would describe it, but it seems very nice quality, and I'm excited to look more into this brand. The next product that I chose was the COOLA Makeup Setting Spray Sunscreen. So it is a makeup setting spray and a sunscreen, and I love that it's travel size. I need to get more into makeup setting sprays. I need to make myself use them because I get lazy and I don't. But whenever someone uses them, I'm like, wow, that does make your makeup look so much better. That's why I got this, because I knew I wanted to get more into using this. The next product that I chose for my custom Ipsy bag, I'm kind of bummed actually that, I shouldn't say I'm happy with it. I mean, I am happy with every product, but I forgot that I had already received this product in a previous Ipsy bag, and I actually received the full size in a previous Ipsy bag. So I already have this product, and I believe we also received it in our goodie bag. We did the custom Ipsy thing before we got to get our goodie bag, so we didn't know what was inside the goodie bag. So that was like, not a bummer, but I forgot that I already had this product, but I got so excited to see an Ofra product in the row of stuff we could choose from that I just chose it, and again, it was all just like very overwhelming, and you had to hurry. So I love the product, I love this highlight, but I'm just assuming you guys know what I'm talking about. I should at least share what this is. So this is the Ofra Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Star Island. It is a beautiful color. I'll swatch it for you guys. I'm gonna be giving this away to a friend, but she won't care if I swatch it. Look how gorgeous this is. It's one of my favorite highlights. I actually have not worn highlight in a while, so I need to get back into it. Especially this product because it is gorgeous. Ofra makes some of the best highlighters, I swear. When I saw this product in the row of products we could choose from, how many times in this video do I say product? When I saw this, I was really intrigued by it and never heard of it, but I really wanted to try it. So this is the Derma-e Essentials Sun Protection Mineral Powder Broad Spectrum SPF 30. And on the side here, it shows that it has a little brush, but I'm not seeing that in the sample. It's just a sample, but this is vegan and it's coral reef safe and cruelty free. So I love trying different powders. It doesn't come with a brush like it shows on the side. That must just be the full size thing, but that's okay. So here's what this product looks like. I love, you guys know I used to hate loose powders, but ever since I used the Elizabeth Mott powder, I've been like so into it. So I'm not going to open it up right now because I don't want powder everywhere. Very excited to try this, and I guess I didn't realize that Derma-e has makeup products. I thought they just had skincare stuff, so I'll have to go on their website and check it out. This was one of my favorite products that I chose for my custom ipsy bag. I tried to get products that I didn't have a lot of. Like I have a lot of all kinds of makeup products now after this event, but like they had some Ofra lip products, and I knew Ofra was going to be at the event, so I didn't pick that one. And like they had Tarte mascara. I love Tarte. They're one of my favorite brands, but I have so many mascaras. So I tried to be like a little bit logical about the products I chose. And I can't find the box because I already opened this product up. But this is an IBY Lush eyeshadow in the shade Fire and Ice. I love IBY shadows, so when I saw this in the row, I was like, I snatched it right up. And here's what the shadow looks like. It is gorgeous. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. Their shadows are just so underrated. They really are. Like, that is just gorgeous. I love this color. The quality of their shadows just blow me away every single time. It's amazing. So that is everything that I chose for my custom ipsy bag that I got to create at Ipsy Live NYC 2019. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't very long, but I really love everything that I chose and that I picked out. Because, same thing, but you guys know what I mean. I know it was short, but I thought it'd be fun to make it its own separate video. I wish other people that were at the event would have created a separate video for this, because I think it would have been fun to watch what other people chose, because there was like so many different combinations. So it was super fun. It was probably one of my favorite parts of the event. I thought it was really cool. I'll link all the products individually down below, and I'll try to see if someone is selling one of these bags on eBay or Poshmark. Other than that, I won't be able to link the bag because it was exclusive to the event. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to subscribe to Ipsy, the actual subscription, they have multiple levels of the subscription now, but you also get a discount on the Ipsy events if you would like to attend like the general public events. I went as a creator, but if you're not a creator and you'd still like to attend their events in the future, you can subscribe to Ipsy to get member discount prices. I'll leave my Ipsy link down below, and if you use my link, sign up for Ipsy, I will receive 600 points to redeem in the Ipsy point store if you'd like to receive member prices on future Ipsy events. But for real this time, that's it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much again to Ipsy for inviting me to Creator Night.